Hi everyone, I'm Michelle from Those Who Love Teaching and welcome to my channel. So this morning I woke up to a light dusting of snow outside and it made me think of what has got to be one of my favorite snow activities to do with my students. There's something so peaceful that happens in the classroom on days when it snows, on school days when it's snowing, and I don't know, the kids get really calm, and I have a lot of fun snow in the classroom activities I do with my students, and I actually will link to a couple in the description part of this video. But I thought I would share with all of you how to make three-dimensional snowflakes, because I think most people know how to make the two-dimensional snowflakes, but not everyone knows how to make the three-dimensional ones, and they're just so lovely. So I thought I'd do that today. By the way, if you like this video and you want to see more like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and also giving it a thumbs up. That lets me know to make more content like this, and it helps more teachers see this content. All right, so to make a three-dimensional snowflake, it's pretty simple. You start out just like if you were going to make a regular two-dimensional snowflake. You take a regular piece of Xerox paper and you fold it like this. You make that diagonal line. You crease it just like this. And you're going to cut this snippet right here off, and I'm going to do that right now, so that you are left with a square piece of paper. Voila. So I know it's exactly the same as making a two-dimensional one, just a little different. All right, so now we're going to crease it a second time by folding it diagonally in the other direction. So now I'm going to make this crease, and I have a perfect square. And I'm going to move a little closer to the camera, and we're going to fold it into a triangle, a big triangle. And now we're going to fold it at the crease in the middle so that we have a small triangle. I know, exactly the same as making a two-dimensional snowflake, but here comes the difference. With my traditional two-dimensional snowflake, we know the rule is only cut on the closed crease, right? Only cut here. Don't cut on the open creases. But for the three-dimensional snowflake, we're going to reverse that rule, and we are going to cut along the open creases. We're going to bring them together, and we're going to take our scissors, and we're going to make our, I'm going to turn the camera. We're going to make our lines, but as we cut, we never cut to the edge. So let's make several cuts, but again, do not cut all the way to the edge. And let me see, I think I can do one more, like so. All right, and now I'm going to get my glue stick, open it up. I'm going to raise it up just a little bit so I have enough glue. And now I'm going to open up my piece of paper, and it should look like this. And now I'm going to fold I like to call these inner rings. They're not really inner rings, but I'm going to fold these inner pieces of paper together with their partner. So this is the most inner ring, and I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to dab it here. And of course I'm using my Elmer's purple glue stick, and of course, you know, the purple will dry clear. So let's make these the first inner ring meet, like so, and it looks like that. And we're going to keep doing this, and we're going to work from the inside out. So now, oh, that came undone. Let's glue that, close that together again. All right. So Now I'm going to do the next inner ring, the next inner pieces, and close them together. And I also kind of puff them out as I close them so that it stays cylindrical. And let's keep going. And we just do this until we're done. And the kids, they have so much fun doing this. And I always combine this. This is sort of like the treat after the writing activity. I will have kids write about their favorite snow activities, their favorite things to do in the wintertime, how snow makes them feel, what snow makes them think of. Or you can always do a nice poem, snow anagram poem, you know, SNOW, and then they write a word that starts with each letter, or depending on the age of your students, a sentence that starts with each letter. And it makes a really beautiful bulletin board, winter bulletin board. And then you decorate it with your beautiful three-dimensional snowflakes. And you know what? Add some two-dimensional snowflakes as well. And it is just so much fun. And like I said, I have a few other winter snowy day favorite activities. This was obviously a writing and art activity, but I have a fun math activity. I'm going to link that in the description below. I hope that you have fun with your kids today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.